Good morning, students. Today, last class we will finish the matrices. Clear? So we can finish the matrices. Now we will start the next chapter. This is a very important chapter. Based on this chapter, two chapters are there. One is vectors, one exercise is there. Second one is three-dimensional geometry. Already you know that. Three-dimensional. From first it is came. Second is also three-dimensional is there. That is also very important. Theorems and the problems are there from this chapter. This is very important chapter. Determinants. Chapter name determinants. Determinants. Okay. So in this chapter, total marks 12 marks are there. Okay, 12 marks. The distribution of 12 marks, 1 mark question is 1 into 1. Next one 2 marks question also is there, 1 into 2. 1 5 marks question, long question. 1 5 marks question is there, again 1 4 marks question is there. Okay, clear? 1 mark question 1, 2 marks question 1, 5 marks question 1, 4 marks question 1. This is very simple chapter. Very simple. Okay. Total in this chapter only 10 problems are there from your examination part. Okay, 10 to 15 questions. One day style. Only one style. Now, definitions. Again, same thing. I will give the notes to exercises. Okay, first of all, listen, then start the problems. Later, I will give the notes. Is it clear? Now, first definition, determinant. Determinant. What is the definition of determinant? Same thing. You elaborate. Already previous class matrix definition is given. So what is matrix? Like this. Here also same thing. What is determinant? Determinant nothing but A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix of order m. A is a square matrix of order m. We can associate. A is a square matrix of order m. We associate a number. Number nothing but what are the number systems? Number nothing but either real or complex. Clear? A is a square matrix of order m. We associate a number either real or complex is called determinant. Is called determinant of a square matrix. Is it clear? So determinant is compulsory. Determinant is satisfy only for square matrices. It is denoted by determinant of a square matrix It is denoted by det A. Clear? Simple. Don't write complete det. D is nothing but determinant. Det A, determinant A, or like this. So this brackets is known as determinant, not modulus or delta. Is clear? So A is a square matrix of order M. We can associate a number. Determine nothing but it is a one number. So det A or delta or like these brackets. Is clear? It is called a determinant. Okay. Now note nothing but determinant can be expressed as only square matrices. Second one, if A is equal to A, B, C, D, square matrices are not, dear students, it is clearly square matrices are square matrix of order 2 by 2. If A is a square matrix then determinant of A is determinant of A is det A is equal to, clear, det of A, B, C, D. Is clear? This is known as det, not a modulus. Det. This is known as any number. Okay. Now, this is the first point. Second point, determinant of A, 1 by 1 matrix is known as itself only. Determinant of a 1 by 1 matrix nothing but itself. Now for examples. Now it is very simple. Now A equal to matrix A, B, C, D. Then det A can be defined as det A is equal to det of A, B, C, D is equal to, it is a real number or complex number, product of these two diagonals. Product nothing but what happened here, AD, minus product of these two, AD minus BC. Is clear? This is called a determinant of a square matrix. Clear? If A equal to A, B, C, D, then det A equal to product of these two minus product of these two is a 2 by 2 matrix determinant. For example, if A equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, then det A, what happened here? Det A nothing but it is 1, 2, 4, 5. Is clear? Now it is clear. What is condition here? What is condition? Product of these two. Product of these two nothing but it is 1 into 5, 5 minus product of these two, 4 2s are 8 only. 5 minus 8 it is minus 3 now. So a square matrix can be a determinant. We can associate by number. Minus 3 is a number. It is called a determinant of a given matrix. It is called a 2 by 2 determinant, as well as determinant of a 1 by 1 matrix nothing but itself only. Next definition, determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. It is very simple, only two definitions. Determinant of a matrix determinant of a matrix, determinant of a matrix of order, determinant of a matrix of order 3 by 3. Is clear? I will give notes later. Determinant of a matrix of order 3 by 3 definition. Now, determinant of a matrix of order 3 can be expressed as determinant of a matrix of order 3 can be expressed as in terms of second order, in terms of second order determinants, in terms of second order determinants. This is known as determinant expansions of a, this is known as expansion of a determinant along row or column. Is it clear? This is called a determinant of a 3 by 3. Simple, I will tell you 2-3 examples enough. Determinant of a matrix of order 3 can be expressed as in terms of second order. Second order nothing but what is second order determinant? AD minus BC, no? Product of these two diagonals minus product of these two diagonals. This is expansion of, be careful, a determinant along either row or column. Row or column nothing but 3 by 3. How many rows are there? How many columns are there? 3 rows are there, 3 columns are there. There are 6 operations. How many operations are there? There are 6 operations. But apply only either first row or second row or third row. Expansion determinant along a row or column. Now example, I will give you example. Simple example. A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So we know that what is A11 value? First row, first column. What is A12? First row, second column. First row, third column. Like this, A33 nothing but 3 rows and 3 columns. Clearly it is a square matrix of order. 3 by 3. Now, det A is equal to, that means open your, this is a closed box. Det A nothing but open box. Det A is nothing but det of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now what is condition of 3 by 3 determinant? So a 3 by 3 can be in terms of second order determinant. This is known as expansion of either row or column. Now this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Now that A is equal to -1 whole power. First row you expand, that's all. -1 whole power 1 plus 1 into A11 into. Is clear? Corresponding straight row, corresponding straight column delete in expansion of 2 by 2 second order determinant 2 by 2. So minus simple I say -1 whole power 1 plus 1 into A11 straight row straight column delete. Now what is 2 by 2? A22, A23, A32, A33. Okay, plus -1 whole power 1 plus 2 into. First expand any row or any column, that's all. Casually, usually first row we expand, that's all. Plus -1 whole power 1 plus 2 into. Not straight row again. Here straight column delete. Then what happened here? A21, A23, A31, A33. Clear? A12 is there. Here straight row, straight column delete. Then it is a second order determinant. Plus A13 into. You tell me. Straight again. Straight row, straight column delete. Then remaining the second order determinant is A21, A22, A31, A32. You expand first one. This is called a 3 by 3 determinant. -1 whole power 1 plus 1 nothing but it is positive value or negative value? Positive value. Plus A11 into. You know that. So what is the 2 by 2 determinant? Product of these two diagonals. Product of two elements. First, the two elements minus product of these two elements. So A22, A33 minus A23, A32. -1 whole power 1 plus 2 nothing but negative 1. Minus into plus it is minus A12 also you are taking here A12. A12 into again product of these two minus product of these two. A21, A33 minus A23, A31 plus A13 into product of these two minus product of these two nothing but A21, A32 minus A22, A31. So these are all elements. You simplify, we get either real number or complex number. This is called a determinant of 3 by. Simple here. What value is positive? Here negative. Here positive. Simple. You don't write here -1 whole power plus 1. No need. Here simple. You take it positive. Here you take it negative. Here you take it positive. Is clear? Now plus A11 into straight row, straight column. Once again I will explain. You expand the first row. You expand the first row. minus 1 whole power 1 plus minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 nothing but it is a plus a11 into row straight column nothing but it is a 2 by 2 minus is clear minus 1 whole power every problem no need to this one simple you remember it positive negative positive negative positive negative like this minus a12 straight row straight column straight row like this plus a13 nothing but a straight row straight column ತೆಗಿಬೇಡಿ remaining 2 by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ and the product of these two minus product of these two okay this is one more next one this is a 3 by 3 determinant of a square matrix examples find delta is equal to delta of 1 2 4 minus 1 3 0 4 1 0 very simple now solution delta is equal to given that delta is equal to ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ starting delta is equal to 1 2 4 minus 1 3 0 4 1 0 clear what I told yesterday that before you take it here positive then negative here positive first every problem like this delta is equal to 1 into delta of corresponding row corresponding column delete is clear straight row straight column delete nothing but this can be changed to 2 by 2 what happened here 3 0 1 0 minus plus into minus minus plus into plus plus minus 2 into tell me straight column straight row delete what happened here minus 1 0 4 0 plus 4 into okay again plus 4 nothing but straight row straight column delete minus 1 3 4 1 Magi already one row is expanded delta is equal to 1 into what to do here 2 by 2 determinant nothing but product of these two minus product of these two AD that means 3 into 0 0 minus 1 into 0 0 minus 2 into here AD minus BC 0 minus 0 plus 4 into AD minus 1 minus BC already before I told 2 by 2 ABCD AD minus product of these two diagonals minus product of these two diagonals AD minus 1 minus BC 4 3s are 12 so this value 0 this value 0 plus 4 into minus 1 minus 12 minus 13 is equal to plus into minus minus 13 4s are 52 that's all this is called a 3 by 3 determinant of a square matrix clear 3 by 3 here observe here for easy calculation of determinants Here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. You can easily solve. For easy calculation, the determinant of a square matrix will be maximum number of zeros required. If a number of zeros are there, more zeros are there, we can solve the determinant of a matrix is very easy. Okay. Next example. Next one. Next example. Important, one more question important. Find the value of x. Find the value of x for which det of 3x x1 is equal to 3 to 4 1. 3 to 4 1. Now solution. Given that 3x x1 is equal to 3 to 4 1. So given that 3x x1 equal to 3 to 4 1, it is a 2 by 2 determinant of a square matrix. What is formula? Product of these two minus product of these two. AD minus BC. 3 minus x square equal to AD 3 into 1, 3 minus x square equal to. Again AD minus BC. AD minus BC nothing but 3 ones are 3 minus 4 twos are 8 only. Clear? So here both the 3 cancel. Minus x square equal to minus 8. So both minus should be cancelled. Now x square equal to 8. X square equal to 8 nothing but what is x value? Plus or minus root 8. Remove this square nothing but taking on both sides root 8. Root 8 nothing but what is root 8 value? You take it to 4 into 2. Root 4 nothing but 2 now. That is equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. X is equal to one more question, very important. Understand clearly? So given that is very simple, dear students, be careful. Very simple. Okay. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. Next one. Note. This note is very important from CET purpose. One more question purpose. Very important. Note. I will give later notes. Note. If A is equal to KB. Here A comma B are both are square matrices. Then det both apply det value det KB. That means det A equal to k to the power of n into det B. What is n value? N nothing but n is order of the matrix. Order of the given matrix. That's it. Okay. Det A equal to det KB. Det K equal to k to the power of n into det B. Is clear? Sometimes they are asking in CET. If A equal to, for example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, simple. Then find Then find det phi a. Simple, very simple. What is formula? Det phi a nothing but it is a form of det kn. K nothing but k to the power of n into det n. So here solution. So det phi a equal to phi to the power of n. N nothing but what is n value? Formula. N nothing but order of the matrix. What is this order of the matrix? 2 only. Phi square det of phi square into det a. Phi square nothing but 25 into det a value 1, 2, 3, 4. 25 into AD minus BC nothing but 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6. 25 into minus 2 it is minus 50. ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Otherwise det phi a is nothing but phi a nothing but multiply 5 times here. Phi a nothing but multiply all element with 5. What happened here? 5, 10, 15. 5 4s are 20. Clear? That is equal to. Again it is a form of 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix nothing but what is the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix? AD minus BC. So 100 minus 150. 100 minus 150 nothing but it is minus 50. Both are equal or not equal? So what is CET purpose? Very very important. What is formula? What is formula? Det KB or KA, whatever matrix is there. Det KA nothing but how to find det KA? K to the power of n into det A. N is nothing but order of the matrix. N nothing but order of the matrix. Understand clearly? Next one. Exercise. Exercise 4.1. Very simple it is, students. Very simple. So exercise 4.1. Evaluate the determinants. Evaluate the determinants in exercise 1 and 2. First question, det of 2, 4 minus 5 minus 1. So what is formula here? 2, 4 minus 5 minus 1 nothing but 2 by 2 determinant. AD minus BC nothing but minus 2 AD minus BC minus 5 into minus 4 minus and minus plus the 5 4s are 20. Minus 2 plus 20 nothing but 18. Plus minus be careful. This one plus minus be careful. AD minus 2. Minus BC already minus is there. Minus and minus plus 5 4s are 20. That's it. This is the first question. Second question. First one. Det of cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Simple. That is equal. What happened here? AD cos into cos square theta minus. First you apply minus, then minus BC minus sin theta into sin theta, minus into minus plus sin into sin square. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta value? 1. That's all. Third question. Second, det of x square minus x plus 1 x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Now is equal to, again it is AD minus BC. AD minus BC nothing but x plus 1 into AD, x square minus x plus 1 in minus AD, product of these two diagonals, minus product of these two diagonals, minus x minus 1 into x plus 1. That is equal to, multiplied here. One more is there here, both are here x plus 1, here x plus 1 common, x plus 1 is common, therefore x square minus x plus 1 minus of x minus 1 is clear. Go ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ lot of methods are there. You select the easiest method. X square minus x plus 1 minus x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1 minus x minus into minus plus, that is equal to x square x plus 1 into x square minus 2x plus 2, multiply it here, you get it answer, that is equal to x cube minus 2x square plus 2x, multiply with x cube minus 2x square plus 2x plus x square minus 2x plus 2. Then what happened here? X cube minus 2x square plus x square minus x square plus 2x, here plus 2x minus 2x cancel, therefore it is plus 2. That's all. This is your question number 2. Okay. Next one, third one. So third question, if A equal to 1 2 4 2, if A equal to 1 2 4 2, then show that net of 2A is equal to 4 into net A. Then show that let 2A equal to 4 into net A. Simple. Find out the left hand side and the right hand side. Both are equal or not equal, verified. That's all. Already property is there. Det K nothing but what is formula? Already I told you. 2 to the power of n into 2 to the power of n into det A. 2 to the power of n nothing but what is order? 2. 2 square nothing but 4. This property absolutely satisfied. This is true or false, verified. That's all. So solution, given that A equal to 1 2 4 2. Now first det to A. Det to A nothing but multiply with the 2 times matrix A is equal to det of 2A nothing but 2 na, 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 to the 4 is equal to, it is clearly 2 by 2 matrix or not? Product of these two minus product of these two, AD 2 4 the 8 minus BC 8 4 the 32, 8 minus 32, it is minus 24. That's it. This is equation 1. Next one, 4 into det A. 4 into det A. 4 into det A. What is det A? 1, 2, 4, 2 is equal to 4 into. Again same as it is AD minus BC now. AD minus BC nothing but 1 into 2, 2 minus 4 2s are 8. 4 into 2 minus 8 it is minus 6. So 4 into minus 6, what is 4? 6 24. This is 2. Both are equal or not equal? Equal. Therefore, conclusion. Therefore, 1 and 2. 1 and 2, det 2A equal to 4 into det A. That's all. Okay. So tomorrow we will discuss remaining things. 2 by 2. You try it. Tomorrow we will discuss the 3 by 3 determinant and properties. Thank you very much.